k. The first one that we did was 2x plus 1 is a factor, don't mumble, is a factor of 3k plus 2x cube plus k minus 1. Find the value of k. Find k. And the second sum is, for those who have done can do this sum, find the value of a if x minus 2 is a factor of 2x to the power 5 minus 6x to the power 4 minus 2ax cubed plus 6ax squared plus 4ax plus 8. Plus 8. Okay, I will solve both the sums. If you are able to do it, go ahead. First one. Function of x is equal to 3k plus 2 x cube plus k minus 1, where k is a constant. Don't forget that. Okay?
K2 है?
Yes, you are right.
Yes.
So now, since 2x plus 1 is a factor, can I directly write 2x plus 1 is equal to 0? Therefore, x will be minus 1 upon 2. So, function of minus 1 upon 2 will be 3k plus 2 into minus 1 upon 2 the whole cube plus k minus 1. That's nothing but 3k plus 2 into minus 1 upon 8 plus k minus 1, that is equal to 3k plus 2 minus of 3k plus 2 upon 8 plus k minus 1 into 8 upon 8. बोल सकती हो ये? कोई दिक्कत है? नहीं. But remainder should be equal to 0. है कि नहीं? Should be equal to 0. Therefore, minus 3k plus 2 plus 8 times k minus 1 upon 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 3k minus 2 plus 8k minus 8 is equal to 0. Minus 3k plus 8k is minus 5k, and this is equal to minus 10 is equal to 0. Minus 5k is equal to, plus 5k. Minus 3k plus 5k is equal to 10k is equal to 10 by 5, that is equal to 2. This is your first answer. Second sum I am solving. Function of x is what in the second sum? 2x to the power 5 minus 6x to the power 4. Sum ठीक से copy करना. ax cube plus 6ax square plus 4ax plus 8.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
can a be the fraction?
We'll see. I'm solving the same sum. यही sum solve कर रही हूँ ना मैं. Let's see. All right. It can be. Very much can be. देखते हैं. चलो. A is any rational number. Any rational number. So we know that x minus 2 is a factor. Therefore, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2. So function of 2 will be, this step is very important. Don't skip this step. 2 to the power 5 minus 6. 2 to the power 4 minus 2 into a into 2 to the power 3 plus 6 into a into 2 square plus 4a into 2 plus 8. That is equal to 2 to the power 5 क्या है? 32 into 2
64
minus 2 to the power 4
16
into 6
96
26
96.
96 हाँ. Minus 2 cube is 8. 8 to
16.
16 plus
6 into 4 24
24
plus 8
plus 8 कितना मिल गया? That is equal to minus
24
24
minus 24
minus 24 है.
minus 24
plus
minus
68
minus ये सब कुछ मिला के minus 24 होगा कि नहीं? All three are numbers and all three are here same like terms ना, all have this tail of a. So this will be plus 16 but
8 common.
remainder should be equal to 0. Therefore minus 24 is by plus 16a is equal Therefore 16a is equal to 24. A is equal to 24 upon 16.
3
4
by 2.
3 by 2.
8. These are 8 twos.
हाँ.
So बस A is equal to
3
what?
by 2. 1 by 2. हाँ.
Mixed fraction में
Mixed fraction में.
ऐसे
Clear?
भी रख सकते हैं ना मैम.
Clear?
3 by 2 में भी रख सकते हैं.
This is good presentation always, not improper fraction. Always mixed fraction. Got it? Is this clear? Now let's start with two unknowns. Let's do two unknowns. जल्दी से कॉपी करो. Two unknowns. They will give you two factors also. देंगे. कुछ ना कुछ तो देंगे ही देंगे ना. Mathematically
मतलब दो
question.
इक्वेशन बनेगा फिर साइमल्टेनियस.
ओ हाँ शुक्र होता है
चलो two unknowns.
रिकॉर्डिंग
चालू है अभी. चलो finding two unknowns. Two unknowns. Keep quiet. Okay, two unknowns कैसे निकालते हैं? देखते हैं. Let's take an example. Everyone pens down. Pens down. If if x cube plus ax square plus bx plus 6 has x minus 2 as its factor and x minus 3 and when divided by, ये देखो important है, when divided by x minus 3 leaves a remainder, चलेगा ना ये भी अपने को, leaves a remainder
of 69.
remainder 3. Find A and B. Those of you are confident, you can start solving by yourself. Those of you are not, you have to look at the book. Okay, solution. F of x is what? Function of x is x cube plus a x square plus bx plus 6. X minus 2 is a factor, so x minus 2 will be equal to 0. So x will be equal to 2. So what will be the function of x when x is equal to 2? 2 cube plus a into 2 square plus b. Don't laugh. ये आप लोग का रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है बेटा. आप लोग जब बात करते हो ना तभी आपका ही आवाज
हाँ,
आता
मैं
है.
भी अगर रिकॉर्डिंग देख रहा था बहुत सा बैकग्राउंड नॉइज आ रहा था.
किसका आता है? आपका ही है.
Not me. मैं था ही नहीं इसलिए तो रिकॉर्डिंग देख रहा था.
और हाफ करो.
4a plus 2b plus 6, that is equal to 6 plus 8, 14 plus 6a. Now
6 है.
4 5 6 है नहीं, sorry, 4a plus 2b. इसके आगे कुछ नहीं कर सकते? कर सकते हैं. This is a factor. So 14 plus 4a plus 2b is equal to 0. This is the first equation. Second equation will be, we'll get by what? When divided by x minus 3 it leaves a remainder 3. So यहाँ पे equal to 3 होगा ना after solving. Let's see. So here what is the function of when function is 3? When x is equal to 3, it will be 3 cube plus a into 3 square plus b into 3 plus 6, that is equal to 27 plus 9a plus 3b plus 6, that is equal to 33 ना? 33 plus 9a plus 3b. Now what is the remainder? नहीं बेटा, it leaves a remainder 3. So 30, यहाँ पे जाके बच्चे मिस्टेक करते हैं. Therefore this is also remainder ना? So 33 plus 9a plus 3b is equal to 3. Therefore इसको इस तरफ लेके आओ, equal to 0 एक तरफ रहने दो. So 9a plus 3b plus 30 is equal to 0. This is my equation 2. Now I will take both my equations. अभी ये वाला जो है ना मेरा constant, इसको इस तरफ लेके जा सकते हैं. ठीक है? So what are my two equations? 4a plus 2b, don't talk, is equal to minus 14 and 9a plus 3b is equal equal to minus 30. Multiply this by 3. Multiply this by 2. Let's try it. What do I get? Dividing by 3. अच्छा ये एक जो है ना, सुनो, ये पूरे अच्छा छोड़ो, बड़ा हो जाएगा, ये पूरा डिवाइड हो सकता था 3 से. Here I would have divided it by 3, but never mind. So if I divide this whole thing by 3, now this equation becomes simpler. So the equation 2 becomes 10. Equation 2 becomes 3a plus b is equal to minus 10 होता है. तो इसको किससे डिवाइड करेंगे? इसको 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. ठीक है, इसको 2 से डिवाइड कर दो. So 4a मल्टीप्लाई कर दे, सॉरी, plus 2b is equal to minus 40 and 3 2s are 6a plus 2b is equal to minus 20. Subtract, subtract, subtract. This is gone. Minus 2a, shut up यार. और क्या u is equal to plus 6. So a is equal to 3. ना a is equal to minus 3 आ रहा है. a is equal to minus 3. If a is equal to minus 3, b यहाँ पे इस इक्वेशन में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देते हैं. 3 into minus 3 plus b is equal to minus 10. b is equal to minus 10 plus 9. b is equal to minus 1. आया सबको? So a और b दोनों मिल गए मुझे, because I was given 2 equations.
A is equal to minus 5 ना?
What?
Minus 3.
minus 3 minus 1.
मुझे भी 1 आ रहा है.
minus 1 है. minus 1 है बेटा. दोनों minus है. Now example 2 which you should be solving. बोलो आप लोग करोगे? चलो.
और कितने सॉल्व?
बहुत है. ये एक्सप्रेशन तो फिर भी और भी सब 9 बजे हो या 10 भी बजे है तो है. एक्सप्रेशन 2x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 2 leaves a remainder 7 and 0 when divided by 2x minus 3 and x plus 2 respectively. Find a and b. Easy है ना ये?
Ma'am, please last.
Oh, you don't have to solve this also.